Hey Chris, my AC just went off. The whole thermostat just went blank. What do I do?
Okay, in that scenario, you're going to want to go ahead and check your electrical panel. You want to go ahead and open the panel, and you'll see all dedicated breakers, which are labeled. So if you start going through the list, here you go, you see your AC breakers, which are tripped off. They'll be going the opposite way from the rest. So you're going to want to go ahead and flip them back on and go check if your thermostat is on. Same scenario if anything were to happen with, for instance, your trash compactor fills off, you want to go ahead and flip it right back on. Garbage disposal, same thing. You just go ahead and check it out, and that should be it.
Okay.
In some cases, some homes, the bigger homes, will have a sub panel. Same thing here. So say your side yard is no power to the outlets. You want to go ahead and just flip it on, and that's it.
So why is the sub panel inside the house and the main panels outside the house?
Just easier access. Easier access here in the garage.
Okay. Are there like a certain room, certain functions that usually in the sub panel and some in the main breaker?
No, you'll still be able to find all these inside the main panel.
Got it.
If you don't want to open up the big electrical panel there, you should have everything you need here as well.